Tata, good share and say hi everyone, welcome back to Pantten Farm. Now if you had watched my previous video, you probably would have heard me say that my husband went back home to check on the business and just put certain things in place. So when he got there, he sent me some videos which I thought I should share with you. But before we go any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you have not already done so. So in this video, it's just a bit of an overview of the farm. So just certain videos, just certain part of the farm, not the whole farm tour, but we will get a farm tour when hubby comes back because the video he's got is quite long. But I'll leave you to enjoy this one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I love you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.
Look tested. You can see them. Tested. Tested. Hi guys. We have some leakage from the software, from the fingers, due to the rope, the size of the rope. So tomorrow I'm gonna bigger rope. Take out one. Wherever you are, welcome to Pantten Farm. See how big and huge the place is. We have 7 of these apartments. We're here to the other birds. They just moved them. They all are doing well. Yeah. I think about 2,500 here. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. See my strong and energetic ladies. Oh my God. They are the baboon of Pantten Farm. You see the girl? She cook well. She cook for the boys. What's your name?
Miata.
Miata. Okay. Check the money. Take their money off here. And what's your name, madam?
My name is
Betty? Is your first time working here?
Yes. Yes.
You were part of the first contractor?
Yeah. To plan a coon.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see the farm is big. It's about 28 acres. They are planting Suzu corn. You can see, you know. I know the sun has been so very hot, so we are timing the weather. Last year we got a lot of corn from here. So. You see that distance? Almost 2 to 3 acres. If you plant a real corn on those, the 3 acres, we can get almost 4 to 5 tons corn when it grow. One day we'll achieve our dream. Anyone that can hold, you change it. Our farm manager, you want to say hi to our farm manager that she been with us forever?
Assessment?
No, your own video. She always want to say she wants video from you guys. Yeah. It's a good land. We just need a tractor one day to till the soil and do what we want to do. And ladies, the only thing they have to do is clean the grass and try to plant the seeds. You can see the grass is growing so fast than the corn. I don't know how to stop the grass. But the ladies, they are very powerful. Powerful. See the corn? Last year we got a huge amount of corn from here. Kilos of corns we got from here. The soil is so good. You can see? Good soil. The soil is so good. I don't know how. Balu? Where?